Dear children, today we will learn what is chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is a process in which rearrangement of atoms of different element takes place. Here I have taken example of hydrogen and oxygen. This hydrogen and oxygen react together and forms water molecule. Now what actually has happened in this? There is a bond between hydrogen atom which has formed this hydrogen molecule. We can show it one hydrogen atom bonded with another hydrogen atom with this single covalent bond. Similarly, this oxygen atoms combine together by forming such type of bond. Now, in water molecule, this one oxygen atom combined with hydrogen by forming this bond. Now, these two hydrogen atoms which are present on reactant side, one oxygen atom which are present on reactant side, here this older bonds between these two hydrogen has been broken. Similarly, one oxygen atom is detached from the other and forming bond between these hydrogens. Now, in this, there is only rearrangement of these atoms. This new molecule what has formed having totally different property with respect to their reactants, such as hydrogen is highly combustible material, oxygen is supporter of combustion, and the water what has formed as product is used an extinguisher. So this product is having totally different property with respect to their reactants. In this chemical reaction, only rearrangement of atom has taken place. The bond what was there initially was broken and formation of new bond is taking place. Now, such type of chemical reaction is seen in our daily life. For example, ripening of fruit, rusting of iron, formation of curd from milk, and so many more examples. Now, in this, we can take another example. For example, magnesium burned in presence of oxygen and forms magnesium oxide as product. This magnesium oxide what has formed is totally different with respect to their reactants. Now we can see this magnesium oxide which is one molecule and having one magnesium atom and one oxygen atom. But if we see on reactant side, there is two oxygen atom molecule and one magnesium. To balance this equation, I will add 2 on this side. Now this 2 is making this oxygen 2 in number, while magnesium also it is becoming 2. But on reactant side it is 1. So I will add 2 on this reactant side with this magnesium. So now we can say this equation is balanced. Now we can take another example. Suppose carbon burnt in presence of oxygen and forming carbon dioxide. Carbon is combustible material, oxygen is supporter of combustion, and product carbon dioxide what has formed is used an extinguisher, that is also having totally different property. So such type of reactions we have seen. Now there are certain characteristics of chemical reaction by which we can say chemical reaction has taken place. For example, evolution of gas. Now you might have seen when you add baking soda with acid, it is forming air bubbles in the solution. Similarly, you might have seen ripening of fruit, which is showing that change in color. Initially, tender fruit is green in color. After some time, it is becoming yellow, red, such type of color change you have seen. Apart from this, you have also seen there are certain chemical reaction in which physical state is also changing. We can take example of camphor. When camphor is burnt, initially it is solid in nature, but when it is burnt, it is turning directly into gaseous form. So, such type of physical state is also changing, which is telling that these are chemical reactions. So, children, today we learned about different types of chemical reaction. Thank you.